Hello, all my beautiful companion of one world. So let's begin today's video. Hopefully, all are good and doing great in your life. Today, I want to talk about one topic which is self-discovery. You know what is the meaning of self-discovery? Mean discover yourself, who you are. Right now, the world is going by metrics. You know what is metrics? One certain rhythm set, and we all are going by this. Like all this space of all the humdrum space of social media and everything, there is certain kind of metrics set in the world, and we all are going by this. Now the problem is within by all these things and spending time in the social media or anything, it is very much possible that we lost ourselves. Every human being bestow with natural ability and talent and so unique from each other. Nature bestow this talent. This is our possibility that every human being, no matter what, but you cannot find that one human being is so different from each other. It is so different. This nature greatest possibility and blessings that all human being is different from each other. But if you are looking in the world, that we are just busy copying just anyone, we are not just living our life. There is certain kind of pain and suffering inside. We all are doing everything for mere money and just going by metrics. We are denying the possibility that nature bestow within us, that greatest possibility that every human being is such a genius and such a unique being with unique possibilities and genuine geniusness. So it is not good that we deny this. If we going by metrics only by just few mundane things, then life will be absolutely there is no meaning to life. Actually, we are here in this world that to create something of our own, not to copying anyone or not to do anything. It is that every human being, we all are must to go within us and to find that what nature gives us and to find that talent or find that possibility. It is not about that life don't want anything, but the innate or the instinct possibility is that we all express ourselves the way we want to express, the way we find we want to express. So it is the genuine possibilities within all human being that we must to express. I think we all are somehow lost ourselves. We all somehow lost the uh, actual meaning of life. Actually, we are, if you find that just life is going by mere the same routine or by habit, so it is different that to find yourself and express. But once you find your uniqueness, not by anything, if you can create, if you can do anything that never happened in this world, that is a great possibility, that is a great contribution to humanity also. So I will say that let that pain, let that suffering, or let that fear of anything that needs impulsiveness, let that grow inside, because maybe someday you will find yourself. Definitely, if you try, definitely it is very much possible that you can find your uniqueness or the possibility that nature gives on you. In this 7.8 billion people on the whole world, you cannot find even one human being like each other. Two human being is never same with same possibilities or anything. So it is our uniqueness, nature greatest possibility, that every human being is extraordinary and blessed with such a great talent and possibility. If nature gives us that possibility, then who the bloody hell we are to deny that possibility? We are not anyone. If you look at our life, we are just a speck of dust. This body is just accumulation or gather from the piece of earth. This mind is piece of information. So what is this? Who you are, the throbbing life within you, and every time throbbing within you make you constant transaction with the world. That's you are. That's your eternal witness that everything happening in this world, that's you are. So don't deny that possibility. Everything will go, accumulation will not go when you are dying, but what will stay? your genuineness, your greatness, your great creativity, productivity, that will stay and that will remain, that will make difference in the world, makes people life enlightened. So that is not just doing anything for mere money. Money will comes and go, survival will comes and go. And the way everything happening right now in this world, we are destroying everything for the sake of money or everything. It is by the compulsive nature of us. So her whole journey of the self discovery is from compulsiveness to consciousness. When you have only conscious human being, you and me, then only we have great country, great nation, and by that time great human being and great world. That is only possible when you have, when every human being is conscious. So please don't do deny nature's possibility. Sit alone, take time, think and see within yourself that what is that thing, one thing, or what is that one thing that is meaningful to you, that is not anyone's doing. To pick anyone's job or anyone's do anything and just doing that, it is very easy. It is not worthwhile to this life. Maybe I am telling this because if it is worthwhile when you think this when you are young, but maybe when you are 50 or 60 years old, when you think, you will be think that will not, that time not possible that you will get back to your life, because that time and energy will go, because life is the combination of fleeting time and energy. So it is not what taking away from our hand is not time, it is our life. So think about that. That's all from today's video. I hope you love this. Thank you so very much. Stay healthy, stay happy, stay joyful, stay blessed. And no matter if we do not do in our life what we cannot do, no problem, but if we do not do what we can do, then we are a great disaster. Make sure you are not a disaster. Thank you so very much. Love you all.